The partner functions like yeah, supplier or the vendor, they
Hmm.
are doing different functions like they are even supplying the materials, and
Hmm.
sometimes they are only
Good
receiving the
supplier or invoice
yeah
partner.
invoice. Yes. So if one vendor is doing everything, then there won't be any partner function comes into picture. All will
Hmm.
be all the functions will be performed by one vendor. In case if you have different vendor numbers which are created for, so invoice will be paid to the some other vendor number, and the goods will be supplied by the other vendor numbers. Then we have to create two different BP numbers or different supplier numbers. So accordingly, while sending the goods, the specific address of that good supplier will be selected, and when we are paying the invoice, specifically that whatever the invoicing party vendor is created, that is selected. So that is the partner function. So accordingly, the what functions the vendor will play. So we can create a different vendor partner roles accordingly. Okay, based on the functionality or the work the vendor is doing.
Hmm.
So there are standard partner roles which are available. Yeah, these are some of the standard partner roles which are available. So their order recipient means they're receiving the purchase order. Purchase order may be received at the uh, we can consider at the head office. And supply of goods will be done from their manufacturing site or plant.
Hmm.
Okay, the invoice will be received by the again headquarters. Okay,
Hmm.
pay maybe the it may go to the invoicing party, or we are not sure. It maybe again go to the order recipient only like that. Okay, so it all depends on how the vendor we are interacting, how they are set up. Accordingly, we can uh, we can change it, we can
Okay.
customize it. Okay, the partner roles. Yeah. So this one you're asking, right? How we can maintain different data for vendor subrange. So this is
Hmm.
how. So in normal data, if we need to specify this one, we need to select these two checkboxes. If it is a sub-range relevant vendor, we need to select this so that this functionality will be activated. This extra data we can maintain at different level. And plant relevant also, if we activate it in the general data of vendor, so in
Hmm.
purchasing data, we can maintain different data. You can see this is the BP. In this BP, we have normal purchasing data also. And
Hmm.
similarly, we have this vendor sub-range data also as a separate. Here we can see the general data specific to maybe the purchase arg. So here if I go, I can see data that's specific to plant like that.
Okay.
Okay, it will show. We need to select that, and if you click on this create button, it will we can maintain other data as a separate data other than arg level. So sub-range, if you want to understand as told, right? So they have different product ranges like car or truck. These are different, right? One comes under automotive, one comes under other this one as a product, right? If they have different product range, then each product range will have again different this one, right? Classifications. All will comes under one classification, one product range. Other classification will comes under other product range. So to differentiate that, so they can maintain the sub ranges. Okay, so that so all the data will be maintained separately. There won't be any confusions for the product data. Okay, product related data for the supplier. So one time but I told like so generally if you are using very rare transactions or rare this one interaction with the vendor, so no need to create a separate vendor master records. In that case, we create one vendor master. So
That
as a
one time
one-time
window.
supplier, yeah. So same vendor master will be used for all several suppliers which are rarely interacted. So that one vendor master data will be used for 10 suppliers. No need to create 10 vendor master records or 10 BP in those cases. So that is the advantage of one-time vendor master. So I think the previous session we have seen the account group we used is CPD. That will be, if you use CPD account group, that will become a one-time vendor master. Okay. And this purchasing category is a new introduced this one parameter. Okay. So generally we have material group and purchase
Hmm.
group, right? As
Hmm.
a grouping together the maybe the different materials they purchase, or grouping together the different materials comes under one material group. Okay. Then there is other category like they have purchasing category. Generally they have
Hmm.
three distinguished categories which are available.
Hmm.
One purchasing category is a metal. All metal parts will comes under one this one metal parts category.
So it can be
Plastic,
same as the material group, no?
maybe same as material group here. It is termed as a different name. Metal group is also there. Purchasing category they have given as a separate functionality.
Okay.
So it almost looks like a metal group only, but they have only three varieties here. But in metal group we have so many types, right? There are
Hmm.
so many types are available. So here only
Hmm.
three as a standard they have given. One is metal, plastic, and electric. So they can use this also. This is mainly used for the reporting purpose if they want to classify the material according to maybe each buyer.
Hmm.
So they can categorize it accordingly. So that
Okay.
is a purchasing category. So this purchasing category we can link it to supplier also. But material group we don't have that option to link it to supplier.
Okay.
Here we can link it to supplier. Even we link it to material group. That is also allowed. Material group also we can link. Okay. So you can see it is available. We can link it to material group and we can link it to supplier. Both are possible.
Noted.
So then, if you want to see the list of vendors, so that is a purchasing list. The transaction code is MKVZ.
It is still there in TCC also.
Right. And to maintain or create or display BPR supplier, we have this app, Maintain Business Partner app. And in this app, we can centrally we can create, edit, and display
Okay.
BP. Next app is Manage Business Partner Master Data. So here also we can create, change, display, and copy partner master data. So this is maintain, this is manage, then manage supplier master data. Here there's no BP. We can create direct supplier master data if we need. Okay, create, change, and display, and copy supplier master data. Next is display supplier list. So this is similar to MKVZ. What we have transaction code. There is a app display supplier list. This mass maintenance of vendor master. That is also an app they have given. Master data process overview for business partner. So this app shows overview information of both complete and open. So this is specifically for who generally creates a master data. They can see if they may have created half of the master data and they saved it. So they can open
Hmm.
and they can complete their task. So for that they can use this. So next, see, I think they are saying extend material, extend BP. It's already available and then extending it to other org level. Let us see. So we can use BP as a transaction code in SAP GUI, and this partner is already available. So they are entering this BP S520-000 and they clicking on start. As it is already created, if I click on start, it will show the number here.
Hmm.
So that we can double click on it, it will display the data on the right hand side.
Yeah.
So here uh, the other BP role we can extend it. Currently it is available general data BP as a general. So we can extend it to purchase org level or company code level. We can extend it to selecting the different BP role. So now we
Hmm.
are selecting BP role as a supplier so that we can maintain the purchasing data for that. So, so now we are maintaining purchasing data for 101C purchase org. So same data as entering currency, payment terms, so Incoterms. So if there is any minimum order value, okay, some vendor may be having some conditions, like they have to buy minimum this much amount only, then they will give the order. Otherwise, they will won't accept the orders. So then purchase group and plan delivery time. So then we're selecting automatic pivot checkbox for this demo, sir, and we are saving it. So we're displaying other purchasing data, C100. So they can extend here directly with same BP. We are extending it to other purchaser also. Okay, this is how it's already created for general BP. So generally in normal case, what happens? Sometimes all the data will not be created by one person, so they do not have access. So buyers can create their related data. So normal who generally maintains the BPs, they only create general data and they can give the number. This is the data I've created. You can extend the company code data, or you can extend your purchasing data. They like that they give. In that case, they extend like this with already available BP number.
Okay.
So so this is they're showing in an Fury app. So manage supplier master data. So here also same thing. It's already available. They are editing and adding into the other
The
org
same
data.
thing, the platform are
But it
different.
is.
That was GUI, this is web
This
based.
is in Fury app. Yeah,
Theory,
yeah, yes,
theory.
yes. Correct. So you can say it's available at these two data, vendor, general, and vendor, FI vendor. So normal supplier level, it is not there. So we need to extend it now.
Hmm.
So click on create. So we can add the BP role so at that level we can maintain the data. So now we are maintaining it FLVN01. This is this role is for purchasing data.
Okay.
So click on create. So now same data we can add here 101C purchase group, plan delivery time, order currency, minimum order value. So we have payment terms. So in code terms, automatic PO we are selecting and click on apply, save. So then go edit and so now they are so linking to the purchasing categories. This vendor master, this BP, they are linking into the purchasing category.
Okay.
You can link it, right? Material group, purchase category, and BP. So manage purchase category. That is the app for the purchasing category.
This linking of material group purchasing category is new in this
Uh-huh.
HANA feature.
Yes, for HANA. It's new functionality. So you can see there are three purchasing categories are available: electric, uh, metal parts, and plastic. So now I think that vendor is maybe related to electric components. They may be we are procuring. So we are linking it to electric. So click on edit. So we can add the supplier here. Add supplier. This is mainly for reporting purpose. Maybe which suppliers all are supplying uh, electric parts. If I want to know,
Yes.
so it is easy here. If we come and
I
see,
think
we
this
get
will be required for vendor evaluation also.
right. And here I told it purchase group we can add an employee, the purchase group ID we can add here, so that purchase group will have a data specific to the supplier reference to the purchasing category. So like that we can save.